I usually cut out the very first part of the interview. But when he laughed, I knew I was in for it. That's what I like about car meets. You never know who you're gonna meet. Just tell me your name, then tell me your car. Tell me about your car, and then
Uh,
tell me who got you into it.
and my name is Kenneth Robinson, Minister Robinson. I pretty much grew up into this. My father, his brothers, they all grew up in 50s and 60s, what we call nowadays hot rods. Mopaws, RTs, GTX, Road Runners. But I'm somebody opposite. I wanted a Ford. Ford has always been an underdog. Remind me of Price from an underdog. But that's a cousin of mine. His dad was one of the ones that got us into this. I built that. But anyway, this 71 Maverick Grabber, I've modified it, 351 Windsor, Grabber blue, carriage top. That's something different. That's not a vinyl, that's a carriage top.
So what made you choose? You say you chose this because it's more of an underdog.
Well, actually, I got this car. Ain't it mine had this car. This was her first car. And I got this car from her in '85. It used to be red and black. But I got this car from her, and I've kept it since 1985. And I used to drag race it.
Okay.
But now in my older age, I just something to ride, and me and him, we ride and we cruise little local car shows, and and just things like that.
Yes, sir.
Just the sound of performance, but the performance is there.
Hey, there you go.
The performance is
there
there.
if you need.
I mean, it's 9-inch rear-end, custom built, C4 transmission, 3800 converter. I mean, this is all built by me.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I do my own work.
Yes, sir.
And I don't do the painting, but I do the drivetrain, the motor,
everything. Else.
Transmission rear end.
Yes, sir.
And and all of that. And I'm gonna just pass the time away since I'm retired. And here you go, local car shows.
There you go. And it's your baby here. You got any more?
No, this is it.
This is it. She clean.
This is it.
Yeah, you got to clean.
It's a lot of money to put in these, especially these days and time. It was a guy out here earlier talking about he got 5 or 6, but he can't finish one. But if you just got one baby, unless you have multiple dollars,
you can focus.
So I can do more with, and I can take my time. Come on, you got it. I can take my time in my spare time, or when I'm bored. I always left something. I've always left room to do.
Yeah.
See, most people complete theirs. I could have broke down and completed, but it gives me time when I'm bored or when I'm, getting on the wife nerves. I always got something that I can go do or upgrade. So it's just a pacifier for an elder man.
Hey, there you go.
It's a pacifier. Getting on the wife nerves, I go out in the garage and just do what I was doing, just wiping.
Yeah.
And this car been painted since since 9.
Okay.
I got the car painted in 09.
Okay.
So I spent the money getting it done, and it's holding up pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
it looks good.
From
because I figured that would have been a new paint job.
Yeah. From 1985, it done been through some couple of crashes, it done got away from me at the track a couple of times.
Yeah.
Broke something, hit the wall one time, had to redo the portion of the quarter. So she got some trials and she got some tribulations. So she done been through.
What kind of times were you turning in the quarter mile?
This is a street car. Every day I can go anywhere. It runs 180 all the time. It bests 1170s.
Hey.
Consistent 1170s.
And you can daily drive it.
I can daily drive it if I choose.
Yeah.
If I choose, I can.
Yeah. Wow. That's awesome, man. Man. I appreciate your time. Man.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.